folks, it's Nessa here in Infinitely Zero's channel. Just came to show you my Mary Maxim monthly subscription kit for the month of May. So this is what I got. It's a kit for some, let me take out that bag that's there, to make some pot holders. What it looks like. So I wanted to say hi and welcome to all my returning watchers and subscribers, as well as new watchers and subscribers. Please click the join button and subscribe, or you could become a member. And I wanted to say hi and welcome. Thank you for all my members for your continued support. It helps a lot. Sorry I haven't been putting out as many videos. I just still haven't been feeling well and been dealing with health stuff, but it's fine. It's just changes in medication and things like that. Anyways, so yeah, so I get this. So this is the one that was sent. It's, I think, $18.99 for the subscription, and then there's like $5 for the shipping and handling plus tax. So this month it was this one, the Spring Kitchen Hot Pads. And the yarn is a yarn they've already sent to us before. I believe it's being discontinued. It was on sale on Lion Brand's site, but I don't know if it's still... Hey, sorry, my last video got cut short. So what I was saying, I was reading the specs for this pink thing. It's super bulky, number 6 yarn, 77 yards or 70 meters, 7 ounces or 200 grams. It's 100% recycled cotton, machine wash and dryable, made in Turkey, and I think it recommends like a 10mm hook. This colorway is sweet pink. It came with this one too, which is called Natural or Ecru. I guess it's 2 of those. 2 of the Natural Ecru. Sorry, 2 of the Natural Ecru with the pink. And then this gray, which is Oxford Gray. So it was all these 4, and then the pattern is this. They call it Kitchen Hot Pads, but they look like these little flowers. They look pretty simple to make. I know when I used this yarn for something else, it was really splitty. I did not like it at all, but hey, you know, it's what they sent. Hopefully they won't be sending any more of this, because I wasn't a really big fan. I mean, it's nice to have the cotton, but I don't... It's just like a bunch of threads. I'll show you. I don't mind opening it. Yeah, I don't think I have an open one. Sorry about that, folks. My video got cut short, but what I wanted to say was that was the kit for this month. I just lost the pattern. I think I dropped it. Sorry about that. I don't know where it went. And then I wanted to say thank you for Diana D. I had won a prize on her channel back in March, and she had sent me, we had gotten this as one of our monthly kits, and it's really cool because the yarn colors that she got were different than the ones I got. So I'll put a link to the video where I review this kit that the one I got with the yarn that I got. So with the different colors. So it was 1 skein of garnet, and thank you so much for the present. I like these colors a lot more. And then 2 skeins of the soot colorway, and that's the specs for this, which is Bernat Swedish from Yarn Inspirations, is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 179 yards or 164 meters. It's 70% polyester, 30% viscose. It's categorized as a bulky number 5 weight yarn. It seems like you can wash it. It says the care instructions are on the other side of the label. Recommends 6mm US 10 size knitting needles or 6mm US J10 crochet hook. And it's made in China. So yeah. So that was really pretty, and the pattern that came with that is the fold over bag with flowers. The strap is actually made in Tunisian crochet. I haven't made the bag itself. I think it looked prettier in the solid color. You see, the yarns I got were these colors. So that's everything I wanted to show you guys. Sorry that my video was a bit choppy and it kept getting cut off. So I hope you liked it. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.